If you've set up an orthographic camera and want to make what it sees as a displacement map, make sure the object has plenty of subdivisions and is shaded smooth, and that it's placed just on or slightly above the scene floor. Set render engine to cycles and under color management set view transform to standard. To save time, set max render samples to 1 and uncheck denoise. Add a material to it and delete the principled BSDF node. Give it a geometry node and a separate XYZ node. The Z output gives us a black and white height map. However, this map will require adjustments to the displacement node settings each time we want to use it. So add a map range node and remap the 0 to 1 range from 0.5 to 1.5. If we bake it now, the resulting map works right out of the box. For best results, save it as an OpenEXR full float image.